I'm going to tell you why most TikTok shop affiliates stay stuck. If you don't already know, my name is Quincy and I help you crush it on TikTok shop, YouTube, and much more. So if you haven't already, give me a subscribe. I help you with tips, tricks, tutorials. We're going to take your account to the next level. The number one thing that I see most with TikTok shop affiliates is they get the product and they make one video. Boom, gone. On to the next. All right. And that's the worst thing you can do. I recommend, and it's a proven method and strategy, making at least 5 videos. Now, you can spread those out, but I recommend doing them in the same day or maybe a few today, a few tomorrow. That way, within that week, you can see which videos are performing better. What hooks did you use, whether it was text on screen, whether it was a physical hook. You want to niche down in some way or another, okay? 70% of your content is a main thing, and then 20% is a subcategory of that, and then 10% can be your random products. All right. So if I am doing content creation is my main thing, right? My subcategory, well, that's my umbrella, but maybe microphones is all for content creation, right? But then I also have tripods, I have selfie lights, I have stands, things that is going to help with content creation. 10% random stuff, whether it's what's trending at the moment, it's seasonal items, what's currently going viral. One video is not enough. Okay. You redo that same product with a different audience. Okay. What time are you posting? Are you inside the house or outside? Are you in the car? Um, did you do a talk in real time? Or did you do one where you're just showing the product in action and then you did a voiceover, a layover? Is there any B rolls in the video? So you can do the whole video, but then go back and, whatever you said in that video, show that product being used in that scenario. Just B roll, on top of what you already created. It's going to add a little, liveliness to it. And sometimes, as I already mentioned, your fifth video is the one that takes off. Before I even get any further, tonality is everything. And just like on YouTube, everyone used to talk about consistency, consistency. And, people hated that word, but it's so true. Consistency matters. But when it comes to TikTok shop as an affiliate, tonality matters. So we can't be on TikTok, telling everyone, hey guys, check out this Tumblr right here. You want to get this. If I wouldn't talk to my friend like that or my mom, why am I talking to you like that? Right. We say it all the time. And so this is what you want to say. You want to make sure you watch your tone and you can still tell about the product in detail. But fellas, I got this the other day. It was 90 degrees outside. It was a little warm to the touch, but on the inside, still cold. Definitely recommend this. On the bottom, you got your silicone right there. Easy flip open top. All right. This is going to last you all summer. It's durable. That's how you want to talk, not so, hey, what's up, guys? Things of that nature. So keep that in mind. And trust me, make sure you are pumping out volume. Do not fall into the trap of, I'm just going to make 5 videos today because I'm putting my all in those videos. You want to have a range of videos that can actually work for you so you can sit back and review and see what works, what doesn't work. What do I need to say next? What will I never say again? All right. So make sure you are setting yourself up for success. Hopefully, I can show you a screenshot of when I did 5 videos in a row, and then you'll see some views on a few of them, and then you'll see one took off. And I might show you another section on where I did multiple videos, different angles, different hooks, text on screen, and then a video took off. Okay. You have to be able to test. Every day is doubling down on winning products. And then if you have new products, you are testing to see what works. And when you find what works, you keep doing it. I try to tell a lot of people that ask me questions, if you see more than one video of a product on my page, guess what? That means it's selling. That means it's working. And people don't know that. They assume because they can see your GMV or they can, guess whether you have brand deals or, what do you call it? Retainer deals. They can kind of figure out how much you're making and they don't really know. Okay, GMV is there, all right, but they don't really know what's selling for you, and they don't know how much you're getting for a commission. So keep in mind, when you get a product, go all in on that product. Be intentional. That is the thing that should be at the beginning of this video. Be intentional, intentionality, okay, for a product. So if I got this remote, I'm going in on the details, how many buttons, what type of batteries it use. I'm showing you the full scope of it in its entirety. Every product needs to be the center of attention. Now, also, if you're going to be in the video, you want to be excited about it, okay? You want to make sure that you are coming on the scene hot, okay, with energy. You're passionate, you know what you're talking about, you're knowledgeable, you've researched the product, okay? And then know what hooks work. It's one thing to copy someone, but when you can do a similar hook, hooks are not bad to copy, but make sure we're not copying someone's video, verbatim. All right. But there are a number of hooks that work. You can obviously use ChatGPT to help you out, but make sure if you're asking ChatGPT, you are asking in a way that give me a non-salesy hook. So in my journey on TikTok Shop, I have had some high months, some really good months, and then I had 2 low months, after doing this for a whole year. This is 2026, depending on when you're watching this video, and May 1st of 2026 was my 1 year. I was excited, I celebrated, and out of those whole 12 months, I had 2 low months, still more than I made at my previous job, my 9 to 5. But it wasn't, it caught me off guard a little bit, but here's the thing, you're gonna have some high months, you're gonna have some medium months, and you might have a couple of low months. So make sure you stay focused, make sure you're setting money aside, just in case you have a low month, okay? Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to give this video a like and share with someone who can benefit from this video. What video would you like to see next? What help do you need if you're new to the TikTok Shop affiliate platform? All right. Hopefully, I can be of inspiration to you. Follow me on TikTok, and I hope to bring you more videos like this.